Hi guys, today I would like to share with you what I like about Las Vegas as a tourist. I've been there 3 times, and the footages in this video are from my last trip at the end of 2018. I always had fun whilst in Vegas, but I always felt like as a tourist, you have too many different options that sometimes you just get a little overwhelmed. Most of us are just gonna be there for a week or less, and time and money will kind of limit the things you can do. So in this video, I'll go through what I think is definitely worth trying. Now when we think about Las Vegas, the very first thing that comes to mind is probably fancy hotels and casinos. For starters, I recommend staying at the Bellagio. It's going to be your safest bet, for 2 reasons mainly. First, it's right in the center of the pack. You're pretty much within walking distance to any other major hotels on the strip. If it's your first time in Vegas, you'll find yourself wanting to explore different places on the strip. The second reason is everything in this hotel is nicely polished, and it also comes with the famous Bellagio fountain show, which many tourists enjoyed. So your experience is very likely to be positive. For similar reasons, Mirage and Caesar Palace are also great choices. Both offer you excellent views and convenient locations. Caesar has got the eye-catching Roman-style buildings and statues. Mirage has got a very exciting fire show that you definitely don't want to miss. Here, let me show it to you. Did you have fun? You'll probably like it more seeing with your own eyes, especially because the air actually gets heated a bit with fire. However, if you're eager to see different shows, then MGM Grand is probably the go-to stop for you. The famous David Copperfield Magic Show is located right here, and you'll also find a couple other ones like comedy club or music shows depending on the season. If you plan to go to the Grand Canyon, you'll find a bus stop right outside the hotel. A couple other hotels that I feel like I should mention as honorable mentions are New York Hotel. New York City built into almost like a fun-sized toy model and equipped with a roller coaster. And Luxor, stylish ancient Egyptian interior designs and very cool looking light beam from the top of the pyramid. In fact, it's said to be so bright that astronauts can see it from space, or it created its own ecosystem. Now another topic we cannot miss for those of you foodies are the buffets. I'm actually a foodie myself, but this video is getting a little long, so I'll cut off here and talk about those in my next video, in which I will compare different Vegas buffets and restaurants. Please subscribe and leave me some comments. Thank you, and see you in my next video.